If I were free, I'd let the street lights beam like fireflies that dance across my windshield and call down the rain. I'd hang my head away outside and open up my mouth so wide to chase the day that rose your toes and fears up from the grave. If I were brave, I'd catch the wind outside my window. I'd drink it in like honey wine when the sun is sinking low. I'd keep it cupped between my palms and hold it tight the whole way home. I'd ride the night until I found you curled up in your chair.
Oh, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee, and thanks for stopping by. If you're new to my channel, I hope that you will consider subscribing. The channel is all about DIYs and unboxings and favorites, all about ways that I try to create my best life and hopefully inspire you to do the same. So today I am being inspired by a lavender lemonade recipe from Crissy at First Day of Love blog, and I found Crissy's recipe on Pinterest, so I will link her blog below. She calls for dried lavender, and I actually have herbs that I plant in a little window box on my porch, and I have been trying to figure out how I was going to use the lavender, and so this is a perfect way to use the Sweet Shop lavender that I have in my herb garden. So I picked a few sprigs, and they just smell so incredible. And I was attracted to these, to this herb when I was starting my herb garden this spring, because it said Sweet Shop lavender. Yeah, and because like, okay, it said sweet whatever, I thought this will be great. I can use this in some recipes, and it's wonderful. So as I was saying, Crissy talks about using dried lavender, and what she does is I boiled some water, and I have 2 cups of water that I boiled, and what she calls for is to put the water over the, pour the boiled water over 1 cup of sugar, and then steep the lavender for an hour. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'll show you how I just get that going, and then we will come back and I will actually make the lemonade after it's been steeping for an hour. So yeah, here we go. So she called, so Crissy called for 2 tablespoons, wait, was it? 2 tablespoons of dried lavender. So I just chose about 5 sprigs of my fresh lavender. And again, it was the Sweet Shop lavender. So yeah, so I'm gonna let this steep for an hour, and then I will come back and we will make the lemonade. Alrighty, so we have been steeping actually for an hour and a half in my little lavender sugar water blend, whatever. And so the recipe now calls for me to add the juice of about 7 lemons into a pitcher with 4 cups of water. And so I am going to use my little, this is a Pampered Chef lemon or citrus squeezer, and this has been tried and true for many years. So I love this thing. So I am going to juice my lemons, and we will mix everything up. And it also calls for some sprigs of mint, which I purchased at the grocery store today. I saw them when I walked in. I didn't plant any mint in my own herb garden this year, but I will keep this in the house going in my little pot to have fresh mint, and we'll see how long it lives. It could go for years. Anyway, so let's get the lemons juiced. I'm gonna speed this up so you don't have to sit and watch me juice 7 lemons, and we will make this lavender lemonade. All right, so that gave me a cup of squeezed lemon juice. So I have my 4 cups of water. I have my 2 cups of steeped lavender, sugar, and water. And what Crissy says is to mix them all together. Add 8 to 10 leaves of fresh mint, and let sit overnight for added flavor. And then it says garnish with sprigs of lavender, mint, and lemon slices. So I'm going to scoop out that lavender, and we are going to mix it all together. Start with this lavender infused. And the lemon, squeezed lemon juice. Stir that up. I'm going to I'm going to cut a stem of this and just kind of put the whole thing into my pitcher. Snip that right there. I'm going to give this a rinse. And what I'll do is I'll kind of squeeze these leaves just to kind of get their oils going. It smells like spearmint gum. And then I'm just gonna steep this in here for the rest of the day. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little taste. It's gonna sit overnight, so hi everyone, I'm gonna have my husband do a taste test. I haven't even tasted it yet myself.
Gatorade.
No, the Gatorade's gonna give you a funny taste. You're not gonna get an accurate taste. That's more like sorbet, where you you know, get your palate.
Hi ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
This is Bob, better known as Babe. I don't know what this tastes like, so don't make a funny face.
Delicious.
Is it good?
It's real good.
Yeah? All right.
Yeah, very surprised.
You're surprised?
No, I'm not surprised, but it's delicious. Yeah.
It has lavender.
You got the Gatorade to wash it down with, and you're all set, ladies and
No,
gentlemen.
no.
Nice to meet you all. You have a good day.
Baby, did it really taste good? Did it really taste okay?
Tastes great. Yeah.
Let me give it a shot. It's fresh lemons, lavender, and mint. Although I don't think the mint's had a chance to sink in there. Ooh. Ooh. That is delicious. Okay. Wow, that is great. That's delicious. I don't even have to wait till tomorrow. Just add some ice. Delicious. Well, everyone, thank you for watching my lavender lemonade, and I am going to try it. It's been in the fridge for about, I want to say, 2 hours since I made it. Just enough sweetness, just enough tart, and it's making my, you know, when you eat like a sweet tart and you get that tart feeling in the back of your jaw area, it's doing that. My first batch of homemade lemonade, thanks Crissy, from First Day of Love. Thank you so much for this great recipe. I'm going to link her blog below. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up. I hope you'll subscribe and come back to my channel. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye for now.
La, la, la.